Yo, what is up, all you beautiful credit repair hustlers and business owners? Today, we're going to be talking about the importance of your Facebook group. Now, I coach a lot of people, and a lot of times I notice that they don't have a Facebook group. And I'm literally telling them all the time, like, bro, that's just money you're missing out on. Because if you have this Facebook group, all you have to do is put all your previous clients on there and put any other like leads or people kind of just coming in from YouTube or social media, whatever it is, put them onto that group. And the way to get them onto that Facebook group is by offering freebies, offering weekly or bi-weekly webinars or Zoom meetings just to help them out, give some value. Put a pump of ebooks in there. So in exchange of them coming to that group, get a couple ebooks, free ebooks. You can, if you check out my credit repair blueprint, I have a link down below. It's also in my Facebook profile. So you go to my Facebook profile, you click the little banner icon, click that, and it'll show you in the credit repair blueprint exactly how to create an ebook. Pretty much the benefits of this Facebook group and why it will make you a lot of money. Okay, so in this Facebook group, think about it. You're already an authority figure. Everybody knows you. Okay, especially if it's yours. You're already an authority figure. You're already seen as an expert. You're already viewed as an expert. You're already viewed as a trustworthy authority figure. The benefits behind this is now that they trust you, you can sell them whatever you want. And it's relatively isn't that hard, because a lot of times the beauty behind this is that if you put everybody in that Facebook group into a webinar, it's a lot easier to sell a lot of people, or it's a lot easier to convince a lot of people than just one person individually. And you can make a lot of sales just on your Facebook group. It's beautiful how this works. So yeah, I don't know what this is called. I forgot the psychology term behind this, but it's a lot easier to convince a group of people than just one person. It's the reason being is because it's a psychological thing in people, whereas if another person's doing it, I want to do it too. Sorry, it's just hot over there. But it's weird like that. So usually when you see on like riots or something like that, when like two people start, everyone wants to start. Or if you see someone giving off a speech, that's why they're giving that speech to a bunch of people. Or anything, any type of revolt or strike, or just talk a speech in front of people, it's a lot easier to convince a crowd than just one person. It's that thing of whatchamacallit, social proof, you know. The reason why Provely and Proof, that little icon that's pasted on the bottom of your website, it's a little HTML script you put into your website, and it shows that this person bought like an hour ago, and keeps on popping that up like every like 5 seconds to pop up. This person bought an hour ago. This guy bought Joe Schmo bought 2 hours ago. Lincoln bought a day ago. Blah 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 blah. That's social proof. The reason why it helps your website convert at 15 to 20%, I usually see it increases conversions by 20%. The reason why that works is because it adds social proof. Other people are doing it. If other people are doing it, it makes it a lot easier for you to do it. So that being said, the reason why groups work so darn well is because you're already seen as an authority figure, you're already seen as an expert, and you put them all into a webinar or a Zoom meeting or something, and you start talking to them on how this one course, this one product that you have can be very valuable to them, either save them time, save them money, or make them money. One of those three things typically. If you show them that and you convince one person to buy, one person buys on the Zoom meeting, chances are another 3 people will buy off that Zoom meeting. Chances are a lot more people, depending on how many people you have in the Zoom meeting. But it's a lot easier to convince a lot of people than just one person. It's just because of social proof, just because if someone's doing it, everybody else wants to do it. So once you offer these, let me give you an example. You can make money off of 2 people in your Facebook group. Your active clients and leads, okay? So your active clients, you already did a done for you service, you already fixed their credit. You can offer them a course on something that they want, maybe financing, or maybe building business credit then, or maybe, I don't know, get funding or something like that. So you can make, once you already fix their credit, once you remove those discrepancies, you can sell them another course based upon what they want. If they want to build business credit, if they want to get funding for something. That's the most typical 2 courses that I tell people that I coach to instate, okay? And I don't tell these people to make these courses all throughout. If it's like a 6-week course, I don't tell them to do the entire 6 weeks. And I have another video talking about that. Or if you need help with that, making a course, let me know. I'm your boy. I'm your man. Pretty much what I'm trying to say is you can make a lot of money off these Facebook groups. So The one, active clients, because they already trust you, it's easy to sell them again. Second one is leads, okay? So you see somebody that's interested, maybe they're saying, I don't know, I don't want to utilize your services yet, or I don't know, I'm not ready to pull the trigger and buy just yet. So you're like, hey, okay, no worries, I understand that completely, man, and I don't want to convince you or anything, or I don't want to try to sell you, I don't want to press you or anything like that, but hey, check out my Facebook group, because I am constantly posting information on my Facebook group on how to do the things that you want to do. They hop on the Facebook group, they see more of your videos, they see that you're caring, that you answer people's questions, you're answering their questions, you're posting videos on what people want. They see that you're an expert, they see that you know what you're talking about, and they trust you a lot more. Like I always say, people need to see your face and your business at least 7 to 8 times before they actually utilize your services, buy what you want, or anything like that. So by putting them into that Facebook group, by putting that little lead into your Facebook group, that code lead into your Facebook group, they're going to see you a lot more. You're going to pop up in their newsfeed a lot more. They're going to trust you a lot more. And eventually, maybe not in a week, maybe not in 2 weeks, maybe not even in a month, but they will buy from you eventually. That's the power behind a Facebook group. And plus, you have all your leads in one little spot. You know, everybody can communicate with everybody. You can put your testimonials on there, put results on there, and just have people trust you more in your Facebook group. And plus, that's free advertising right there, okay? The bigger your Facebook group gets, the more advertising you have. Like, not really advertising. The bigger your Facebook groups, the more chances of making more money, you know? Think of every single person that joins that group as another dollar sign, another potential dollar sign you can make from them. And those are lifetime clients that you can continue to sell from them. Because if you're able to prove to them that you can fix their credit, you can provide a course that will teach them what they want, they're going to buy your next course. They're going to buy a bunch of your courses as long as you continue to provide them with value in these courses and continue to get them the results that they want. As long as you can get them the results that they want, they have no reason why they shouldn't just continue to buy from you and buy whatever you want. That being said, guys, I'm going to make this long video short and cut it out, straight to the point. Guys, if you don't have a Facebook group already, you're leaving money on the table. That's it, guys, period. If you don't have a Facebook group, you're leaving money on the table. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any suggestions of a next video you want to make, me need help with anything, comment down below or schedule a strategy session with me, because I'd be more than happy to go through your business and literally poke out those holes that are stopping your business from getting that predictability that it deserves. I'd be more than happy to go through your business and help you out. Or if you're interested in just getting straight to the point, you know, running some Facebook ads, I literally have all the targeting, I have all the ads and all the copy already done for you. Matter of fact, I even have the funnel templates already done for you. So if you're interested in getting straight to the point, not to skip the testing phase and get straight to making conversions, get straight to getting pre-qualified, scheduled, and confirmed appointments, click that link down below. I have something called the Assets Plus the Course, okay? In this, it's going to have, like I said, it's going to have 100 Instagram posts. Well, you can use it for Instagram and Facebook. It's just to keep you active so that when people check out your ads, they could see that you're active on your Facebook and trust you more. And it's easier for them to utilize your services. And it just helps with the conversion of the ads. So 100 social media posts. You have also another slideshow that's going to teach you how to make viral posts every single time. It's also going to include the credit repair blueprint, which is going to teach you how to optimize your social media presence to make it into a powerful lead magnet. It's also going to include the ads, the targeting, and the copy. All done for you, already proven. I use these ads, these targeting, and these copies in my credit repair businesses and the people that I coach with. I use those, so it's already proven. And I also have the funnel templates. So the credit repair funnel templates, you know, the landing page templates that we use for ClickFunnels or Go High Level. I highly recommend Go High Level. Once you start using it, guys, you're going to fall in love with Go High Level. If you want, I have Go High Level 2 weeks for free. So if you check out that, it costs $47 for all those things. Obviously, I can't give it away for free. Because I worked hard on it. But if you're interested in getting those assets to really boost conversions, to really start generating some predictability in your Facebook ads and the amount of clients you get into your business, check those assets out. It comes with a little mini course, about an hour, maybe an hour and 20 minutes, to show you exactly how to implement all those assets into your business, into your Facebook ads, to get the most amount of conversions as possible, get the most amount of scheduled appointments as possible. But I'm not going to rant too long, guys. Check the links down below. Check out the strategy session. Check out my Facebook group, Making Millions with Credit Repair Marketing. And also check out those assets, guys. Those assets are incredible, guys. I'm literally using them on my clients that are spending $2K a day in ads, like today. But thank you guys for watching. Any questions, comment down below. Schedule a strategy session with me. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.